What is the human flag?
The human flag is a powerful calisthenics move where your body is held parallel to the ground, gripping a vertical pole. It demonstrates full body strength, control, and technique. While it looks impressive, unlocking the human flag takes time, dedication, and a step-by-step approach. Let's break down a beginner-friendly progression plan using only bodyweight exercises.
Building the foundation.
To start your journey toward the human flag, focus on core and shoulder strength. Exercises like side planks, hanging leg raises, and scapular pull-ups help develop the stability and power needed. Training grip strength is equally important. Consistency with these basics lays the groundwork for safe and effective flag training.
Learning the progressions.
Progressions are key to success. Begin with vertical flag holds, hanging sideways from a pole with feet on the ground. Advance to tucked human flag holds, pulling both knees toward your chest. Practice switching between sides. Over time, work on extending one leg and then both for increased difficulty.
Key drills for advancement.
Add specific drills to your training. Try the dragon flag for core strength, lateral raises for shoulders, and static side levers to mimic flag positions. Practice negatives by slowly lowering from the flag position. Patience and proper rest will help prevent injuries and promote steady improvement.
Tips for success and safety.
Progress at your own pace. Prioritize good form over duration or reps. Warm up thoroughly and listen to your body. Training with a sturdy pole and using chalk for grip can help. Celebrate small wins and stay consistent. Unlocking the human flag is a challenging journey, but with dedication, it's within reach for beginners.